Most people stay broke for reasons they don't even notice. They're not poor because of bad luck. They're poor because of silent habits that drain their money every single day. Here are 5 money habits that are secretly keeping you poor, and how to escape them. Wealth doesn't come from luck, or a high salary, or even a perfect plan. It comes from behavior. Small behaviors, repeated every day. So let's go through these habits one by one. Habit number 1. Lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is one of the most common traps. You start earning a little more, and suddenly your expenses rise with it. A nicer phone, a new car, a better apartment. And your savings? They stay the same, or even get worse. The dangerous part is that lifestyle creep feels like progress, because everything around you looks better. But rich people upgrade last. Poor people upgrade first. Your goal isn't to live cheap forever. Your goal is to delay upgrades long enough to build a financial cushion that actually protects you. 1 year of discipline can put you ahead of 90% of people your age. Habit number 2. Emotional spending. Most people don't spend money because they need something. They spend because they're tired, stressed, bored, or sad. You don't buy things. You buy dopamine. And the problem with dopamine? It disappears fast. The purchase feels good for 5 minutes and painful for 5 weeks. If you ever said, "I deserve this," you were paying with your future money, not your present money. Here's how to break the habit. Never buy while emotional. Buy only when you're neutral. Detach the emotion, and you regain control. Habit number 3. Not tracking your money. You cannot fix what you don't measure. People say, "I don't know where my money goes." And that's exactly why it goes away. Tracking is not about rules, it's about awareness. When you track your spending for just 7 days, your brain suddenly sees patterns. Too much eating out, too many subscriptions, too many small treats. Awareness creates control. Remember, money doesn't disappear. You give it away. Tracking shows you when and why. Habit number 4. Impulse buying. Impulse buying is one of the fastest ways to destroy long-term wealth. You see something, you buy it. No thinking, just dopamine. But here's a rule millionaires use: the 48-hour rule. If you still want it in 48 hours, buy it. If not, it was an impulse. This one habit eliminates around 80% of unnecessary purchases. Impulse buying feels harmless in the moment, but it's the difference between owning your money and your money owning you. Habit number 5. Not learning new skills. Your income is a reflection of your skills, not your time, not your age, not your job title. If your income is the same as last year, your skills probably are too. Most people want more money without becoming more valuable, and that's impossible. One skill, just one, can raise your income more than 3 to 5 years at your current job. Design, copywriting, coding, sales, marketing. Skills equal income. No skills, no growth. So here's a simple way to start changing your financial life this week. 7 days, 5 new habits. Day 1. Track every dollar you spend. Day 2. Cut one subscription you barely use. Day 3. Practice the 48-hour rule on every purchase. Day 4. No takeout or coffee spending. Day 5. Learn one new skill for 45 minutes. Day 6. Review your spending patterns. Day 7. Decide one upgrade you will delay this month. 7 days. 1 week of control. That's how you start building wealth. Quietly. Consistently. Most people will watch a video like this, agree with every word, and then change absolutely nothing. The sad truth is, knowing is not the same as doing. The only people who change their financial future are the ones who change their daily decisions. You don't need more motivation. You need systems that make success automatic. Money doesn't reward intentions. It rewards consistent habits. The sooner you start, the sooner your life changes. Fix just one of these habits, and your financial life will begin to shift. Fix all 5, and you will never look at money the same way again. Your future wealth doesn't start with a higher salary. It starts with better habits. This is Better Me Finance, where we simplify money, habits, and life. Your future starts today.